Hello students, welcome to this channel www.amitsartutor.com. Today we'll study about data types. Let's see. Data types are classes in Python. Every value in Python has a data type. Variables are instance, that is object, of these classes which store values. Python has 5 standard data types. First one is numbers, next one is string, next is list, next is tuple, and last one is dictionary. Python supports 4 different number data types: int, signed integer, there is an example given here, 15, long integers. They can also be represented in octal and hexadecimal. Again, there is an example written here. Floating point, real values. There is an example given here, 4.7. It contains decimal part. Complex numbers, example 3.14j. Now let's see about string. Strings in Python are identified as a contiguous set of characters represented in the quotation marks. Python allows for either pairs of single or double quotes. Example written here, str equals to single quotation mark hello world. So here single quotation mark we are using. Next, list. A list contains items separated by commas and enclosed within square brackets. Example given here, list equals to, values are within square brackets. Next is tuple. A tuple is another sequence data type that is similar to the list. A tuple consists of a number of values separated by commas. Unlike list, however, tuples are enclosed within parentheses. Tuples can be thought of as a read-only list. Example, tuple equals to, within parentheses, values are given here. Next one is Python dictionaries. Python dictionaries are kind of hash table type. A dictionary key can be almost any Python type, but are usually numbers or strings. Values, on the other hand, can be any arbitrary Python objects. There are few examples below. So guys, these are about the Python data types. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and press bell icon for the notification of upcoming videos. Thank you very much.